back to my channel. So today is wash day. So I'm going to do, I know this is going to be a different type of wash day. I'm going to start from the very beginning all the way to the end. Now I've kind of changed my wash day routine a bit, so I'll discuss it while we're going through the go through. So let's get started with this wash day. So I'm gonna go and take out these braids, and I'm gonna be back. So this is my hair after I took out my braids and stuff. I look like I got like a mini afro or wig type situation. Oh my goodness. Yeesh. Let me see if I can keep this. Maybe I should start wearing my hair out like this. Ooh, not the back though. Okay, so now I'm going to do my Pree pool. I'm going to be using VO5 Herbal Essences Moisturizing Conditioner. I say Herbal Essences. I'm tweaking. But I'm going to put, I'm just going to use this whole bottle since there's, if I need more, I'll just add it onto it. I'm going to need more because this is not going to be enough. Look at it. It's not going to be enough. So now I'm going to add my oils. This is a different mixture. This only has, because I ran out of my other oils. So this only has my castor, like my plain castor oil, and my Jamaican castor oil mixed in here. Because I ran out of my other oils. So now, the Jamaican castor oil makes it so thick. Oh my gosh, look how it's coming out. So slow. So I'm going to pour it in here. And so I'm going to stir it up. Pour, stir, pour. Okay, so now I'm going to stir it up with my spoon, this plastic spoon. This is not enough. I'm just going to go and get some more and add it on here. Guys, if I would have known my braid out would have been this cute, I would have rocked it today. Like, look at this. I can do some, like, let me zoom this out a little bit so y'all can see. Like, I can do a little put over her hair, curl it, So now we're going to go on with the wash day. So I'm gonna separate my hairs in four sections, like a regular do with my regular normal shebang.
Vocês estão viajando ao som do sangue. Deus abençoe.
So now that I'm finished applying the Pree poo, just going to that's my shower cap. So now I'm going to apply the oils to my end, like always. I had my shower cap on, set under the dryer for 15 minutes, and then I went in to wash my hair, and that t-shirt dried for about till like I was done with my little errands that I was running around the house, like about 15 to 20 minutes. Usually I usually do it 10 minutes, like when I'm actually sitting down doing my hair, but I had so much stuff to do, so I had it on for like 20 minutes and stuff. So I washed my hair with Head and Shoulders. I didn't use my regular shampoo because I'm trying to cleanse my hair of my ridiculous amount of dandruff. So I use Head and Shoulders every 2 weeks, and I use my sulfate-free shampoo every week. So that's what's going on here. I just realized I ran out of my coconut oil, so I'll make do with what I have right now. So now I'm going to apply some coconut oil to my hair. So I do my wash days on Fridays, and then on Sundays I do deep conditioner or you know, regular conditioning my hair. So I don't deep condition my hair right after I shampoo anymore because the process is too long. It's honestly too long. So I just separate it and stuff. Oh my gosh, I really ran out of coconut oil. So I'm just applying coconut oil to my hair. It's like, it's still damp, you know, my hair is still damp. It's not fully dry, it's still damp. So I'm just gonna apply this, and then I think I'll put it in, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in braids of 2 yet, in 2 braids of 2, wow. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that, but I don't have any plans today, so I think I'm just going to leave it like this and let it dry on its own for the rest of the day, because I'm not going anywhere Saturday either. So I'm just being around the house like this until it's Sunday, or until it's time for me to deep condition the hair. So y'all see my Texlax hair. I'm like majority Texlax now. Oh my god, how many? So that's it for my updated wash day routine. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the link below. If you want to see any of my previous hair videos, I will leave it down below in the link. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. See you later.